ensures that that the vendors are meeting our tough performance standards. We expect a lot from our associates, whether they be our own employees or an extension of our associate population with individuals who come through vendors. Tracking the performance of each vendor on an annual basis, on a monthly basis, we receive reports that ensure that the vendor performance is where it needs to be. It allows us to be able to see what is demanded in the market. We have a lot of needs across the system, and ensuring that we're bringing in top talent really allows us to feel that the quality of the care will be met, patients will receive the experience that they deserve. Of ShiftWise is it improves our efficiency across the board. It allows us to ensure that we have one master service agreement for all of our vendors, which saves us countless hours trying to put that together. ShiftWise allows us to be able to interact with many vendors, potential or current vendors, and it saves me the time of having all of those interactions. So our role in HR at Advocate is to provide service to our sites. We are responsible for ensuring that we have the talent across the system to meet the needs, to care for our patients. And by using ShiftWise, it gives us the ability to really make sure that we're providing that service to our sites, and that visibility across all of those sites and thousands of needs that we have on a regular basis really allows us to ensure that I know what the needs are, I am aware of what's happening with the contingent workforce, I'm aware of what the needs and the demands are of that workforce, and really that we're matching up that need to the need within the Advocate system. The ShiftWise Client Services team has been a great partner to me. When I took over managing the ShiftWise process, I really had a lot to learn about the dynamics between the vendor and the interaction with the Advocate system. And just by ensuring that we are efficiently working through the process and really using the data that we have. We've been using ShiftWise for a number of years now, and so all of the data allows us to see if we have trends, if we need to make changes in the way that we're operating. The client services team has been really helpful to me in reviewing that data on a regular basis. So the healthcare market continues to change, and that requires that we continue to change with it. So we're continually looking at our staffing models to look at whether or not we have the right mix of staff at different levels, at different sites, different units. And so we've been talking with ShiftWise about new uses of the tool to allow us to really build up the right pool that we need and use the ShiftWise technology to help support that need. I would recommend ShiftWise to other healthcare executives. It's been very helpful for us to be able to ensure that we have a highly efficient, cost-effective way to be able to manage the staff needs that are continually coming up on a regular basis for us. So really partnering with the ShiftWise team, using the services and reporting has really helped us to do what we need to do.
A mess. There's a lot of paper and pen, email, phone calls all the time.